Hi everyone, my name's Amy from Custom Vinyl Decor, and I wanted to show you a cute project I'm working on that's going to be super simple and super fast. We have these fun St. Patrick's Day decals that you can order in a variety of sizes. I ordered mine small because I found at my local Hobby Lobby craft store this cute chalkboard sign that I can put anything on. And so I'm going to put this lucky sign on it and hang it probably on my front door. I just think it's adorable. We have lots of different colors. I have ordered mine in green, and you'll see here, this is actually our lime green. But what I'm going to do, I got it in, and it will come like this. It will have backing, and you can see the backing. It has this grid on the back, and we use high quality Oracle vinyl for all of our vinyl decals. And I'm just going to trim this down a little bit on the top and the bottom, and so I'm going to use these grid lines, and so that I don't cut into the design, as well as getting a straight line. So I'm just going to quickly trim this down so that it fits a little bit better. It fits perfectly side to side, but I wanted it just a little bit smaller to fit it on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the backing off of this design, and I'm just going to lay it down and start peeling the backing off. And this one is going to be a super simple, fast design. So I've taken that backing off. And as you can see, it's stuck right to this sticky transfer tape, and it's backwards for me, right, or for you right now looking at it. When I turn it over, it's exactly how I need it, and I can see through it. It's a little transparent. And I'm just going to stand up here and eyeball this and get this as straight as I can on my little chalkboard, and just kind of press it down, and I'm going to just look and see. It looks like it might be just slightly crooked, so I'm going to lift it up gently. The vinyl is very forgiving until you press it down for the permanent stain. If you've just kind of put it on, it's very forgiving, so you can straighten it out and redo it if you need to. And I think this looks a little bit better. So this is what it will look like with the transfer tape. And this is a small enough design that I don't have my little credit card with me, but if this was a bigger design, you'd probably want like a credit card to be able to press it down and get the air bubbles out. But this is small enough that I can just do this with my fingers and press it right here onto this little chalkboard. Rub it down really good, and then we're going to just peel off this transfer tape. And this is super cute, and if the letters peel up a little bit, you can just use your fingers to press them back down. It'll stay on, and when we're done, we'll do one last pressing so that it stays on there permanently and doesn't come off until you're ready for it to come off. As a reminder, this vinyl will not peel your paint off your walls. It doesn't stick forever and leave a sticky residue. If you want it off, you can peel it off. It is not reusable, so once you peel it off, it will be done. But just know that if you want to put a different decoration on the surface that you've put this on, you can take it off and update the surface that it's on. So as you can see, I've got this off, and I'll throw that away. I'm going to press this down, and here is my cute, quick little 2-minute design that I can go and put on my front door or anywhere in my house to spruce up my home for this fun little St. Patrick's holiday coming up this month. Thanks so much.